Brad.
Practice kami, malilate na kami. Pagalitan ako. I have to better exact at 10 o'clock.
Ang bayan, ang bayan, Pilipinas. Pati ng ginto't bulaklak, pag-ibig na sa kanyang bayan. Nag-alay na ganda at dilag, at sa kanyang ganda, dayuhan ay nahalina. Bayan ko, binihag ka, nasadlak sa dusa. Ibon mang malayang lumipad, kulungin mo at umiiyak. Bayan pa kayang sakdal nila, ang himag nasa makaalpas. Pilipinas kong minumutya, ugat ng luha at dalita. Ating adita, makita kang sakat.
Bumabagyo na!
Bagyo na!
Nagtatai pa ako! Baby, hindi rin video yung daan, no? Binabagyo na tayo, hindi ko makita na tayo na ito. Ano ba yan?
This is running out. Bibigyan. Ibon pang malayang lumipad, kulungin mo at umiyak. Ubayan pa kayang sakdal nila, ang himag nasa makalpas. Pilipinas kong minumutya, ugat ng luha at dalita. Aking nagdita,
Papaiyak man ako?
makita kang sakdal laya.
Alam mo, Ate Becky, as in, ilang beses ako nag...
Going to show ground. Driving natin eh, it's raining. Gusto ito mamaya sa ano namin?
Oo.
Sa yung the best friends.
Oo.
Lahat sila makakakita.
Oo.
Si mama mo, si ano, si
Oo.
Will, ano.
Ila-live mo?
Oo. Doon sa ano ko, sa ano namin.
Oo.
Pwede ko rin post. Kung gusto mo.
Hindi, gusto ko muna ng happy.
Oh, tingnan mo muna mamaya na lang.
Oo.
Pag uwi natin.
1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Marami. So we're now here at the official ground and we are going to be celebrating the Philippines Independence Day.
Hello.
You're funny, eh?
Ito sa akin sa Pilipinas.
Ano yan?
Pero maganda to kasi parang ito rin yung gusto ko maliit lang. Bili na nga
Maglets?
ako. Magkano po to?
Ganito ang price.
Ah. Ano na yun? $3 to?
Stop. Check.
Asan yung mga damit?
Stand here before you to celebrate 126th Independence Day of Philippines. You know, 126 years it's been since the country claimed its own future. It's a big thing. And I really want to applaud all our Filipino New Zealanders, those who are here working hard and bringing this beautiful celebration for all of us. This performance that we saw was so beautiful. Thank you for giving us the insight into your culture, your food, and everything that you are bringing to us here through this get-together. It's really amazing. And when we talk about independence, independence is about freedom, self-determination, and it's also about the courage to chart your own future. And I'm an immigrant myself, so when I think about independence, I don't think that it sits just in history books. It's in you, it's in me, all migrants. Because independence, as I said, is about charting your own future. So the drive, that spirit that led to independence of Philippines is within all of us. We saw that video that was shown before. We saw the sacrifice that people made to get freedom. And when we, migrants, if I talk about just our Filipino community today, decided to pack your bags, come all the way to New Zealand, start your life all over again, that was about charting your own future. And you did it with courage. You came here, started from scratch. And I know that. I have many Filipino friends. And I know my friends, the entire Filipino community, is not here just to build a career, but you all are here to build a home. New Zealand is your second home. And I'm really proud to see. If I go to a construction project, I see our Filipino community working there. I go to a farm, I see our Filipino community working there. In hospitals, you working so hard. In retirement villages, you are there. You're everywhere. Doing multiple jobs, taking on extra hours, and that work ethic, I really want.